Hey, what's up, YouTube? Watch how me and the VIP made 13% on our account this week.
Lines crossed.
Dude, look at EJ do the fucking dance zone. Let's go. Can we get some dubs in the chat, man? German 30 is gonna fly with it. Zitrix, they move the same. She's a runner, she's a track star. Alright guys, so what's up? This is the EJ trade that you guys saw the little clip on before. Now this trade did end up running more than what you guys saw. It's just we ended the stream a little early that night. But as you guys can see, we are coming off of a Fibonacci long over here. We're going to start counting our confluences, right? Our Fibonacci long position right over here, creating some beautiful support at this previous level of resistance. Also in our golden zone, right? I was looking to get an entry right above here. Now price didn't quite do that, which is a little sad because I wasn't on the charts. I wasn't looking at here. But this probably would have been my entry if I would have been on the charts. But no. We didn't have that entry. We waited for a tiny range to be created right over here, which is a beautiful range, and a little support. Actually, this is the support right over here because as you guys can see, we have a previous reaction level right over here. Reaction, right? This is a reaction level. This is a level of importance that needs to be drawn out on your chart. So I was bullish as long as we hold this level up here. Now price did come up, right? But that's our bullish confirmation, right? Are we going to enter? No, we're not going to enter just yet. We need to wait for this high to get broken, and then we would execute on our position. Now, I did end up buying right over here at 592. As you guys can see, every single signal is called to the VIP group. So if you guys haven't signed up to the VIP group, it's only 75 bucks a month. So right over here, as you guys can see, we did come up and then, beautiful move here. We did have a 10 pip stop loss and a 10 pip gain, right? Now this trade did end up running a lot. Ended up going like 46 pips before stopping me out here. As you guys can see, 46 pips before stopping me out at break even, right? There was some signal that there was some VIP members who did hold this trade, and they're currently up about 120 pips on this move. I'll show you guys how far this ran. Now overall take profit was somewhere over here, somewhere there. The reason why is because price wants to start magnet to these zones. These support and resistance levels are zones, right? Are magnet zones. So usually when we start to break up above one, we go to the next one, right? So as you guys can see, price does shoot up here and hit overall take profit for 100 pips. But we did unfortunately get stopped out at breaking. But that's completely fine. We caught a 1 to 4.5 RA on this trade, which is absolutely amazing. So now I'm going to count the confluences that we have for this trade, right? This trade was a beauty, right? We have a beautiful fib long over here, bouncing at our 5618 area, right? Now we also have a head and shoulders pattern right here. So for our second confluence, now we also have this SMA crossover right here. That's the third confluence, right? And we're also blue over red, right? That's 4 confluences just in itself that I can spot on right off the bat, right? So that's 4 confluences to this trade. Now also, we also have a beautiful range over here, right? So this is a range 2, I like to call it. So we're waiting for that range 2 breakout in order to execute, right? So with this candlestick was another confirmation. This is our 5th confluence. This candlestick right here, how it's nice and bullish and beautiful inside the range still though, right? So our 6th confluence was to get in at our breakout zone, right? Just to target this level here, but price did end up flying, right? So beautiful trade here, guys. So stay tuned to the next one. It's a German 30 buy that we took the same exact night. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, I'm in, dude.
He was bad.
Alright, guys. So for this German 30 trade, it was a beautiful setup. I loved this trade. Why? Because we had an overreaction in the market on an indice, right? So what does that usually tell me? It usually tells me that we're going to recover quickly here, right? So I was looking for longs around this level, but price, eventually just shot up here. And then, I didn't get an entry point at any of these levels here. So we waited for a tiny range to be created here. And then I'm only looking to fill this clean move over here to the left. As you guys can see, this is clean candle moves here to the left. So I'm going to execute this trade right above here, correct? I'm just looking for the breakout, correct? looking for the breakout. Now, I did take my entry right above here, kept stops below right over here. I did leave my entry here. And then I targeted this level up here for TP1, right? I did target somewhere like something like this. Now, price did shoot up here. Price shot up, didn't come back to break even, which is amazing. Now we have SMAs in our favor here. As you guys can see, this is what we're looking in these SMAs. We're looking for the scoops, right? We're looking for these SMAs to kind of go like this and then give us this curve, right? This beautiful curve right here. That's what's going to make these SMAs really push price in your favor, right? So that's what we're looking for, and that's exactly what we got right over here, right? Right to TP1. Now, I did hold this trade for quite a while. Price did eventually just fucking take off here. As you guys can see, we had some sort of struggle here, but then, you know, my next TP was right over here at this level over here. Price never came back to stop me out at break even, which is beautiful. Right there, I thought I was gonna get stopped out at break even, but price never actually hit my break even, which is great. As you guys can see, boom, boom, boom. Then we completely broke out of here, and then ended up hitting targets, right? I wasn't able to close up here, but I did close somewhere down here. You know, I'm completely transparent. It's just the way I roll. But as you guys can see, multiple confluences to this trade. You know, we're first of all, we're kind of uptrending here on the lower time frames at least, right? Now we have a above blue over red SMAs, correct? Now we're breaking up above this range, so that's 3 confluences. And then also I was looking at this beautiful Fibonacci here, which is a 382 rejection. As you guys can see, it's a 382 rejection, right? What does that tell me? A 382 level rejection is telling me that price is in a very, very strong trend to the upside, right? So if we do start to bounce up here and we start to break highs, I'm going to execute that trade every single time, because this 382 level is telling me that we're strong bullish, right? So right over there, we caught a beautiful, you know, 1,670 pip move. But I did end up getting out around 900 pips. But price did end up skyrocketing here, which is amazing. But yeah, guys, so this is our German 30 trade that we did take. It was a banger, guys. I'm up 13% for the week. Guys, join the fucking VIP. I'm pretty much the only signal provider who manages your risk for you. Yes, we took like 3 losses this week or something like that, but we managed our risk every single time, right? So on those losses, we really lost like maybe half of our positions, right? And then our runners win full positions. So make sure that you guys go check out that VIP. It's in the link in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. It really makes this channel really pop off and get shown to more people. So I appreciate the support, whether it's free or paid. Again, guys, if you guys want to join our community, we have the best community in Forex. Every single person who comes loves it. Every single person who we even get profitable traders now, just because we have such a strong community that, you know, we really strive to push each other to the next level. To really, every single person wants to go up together, right? So this is like more like a team thing, and they say, you know, trading isn't a team sport, but we like to make it feel that way, and we have so much fun trading, right? So as long as you guys are making this fun, because once it starts feeling like a job, you know, you guys are gonna have to start thinking about doing something else. Like at the end of the day, we trade to have fun, we trade to get paid, but at the end of the day, we want to have fun doing it, right? What's trading? What's a job that you hate and you just bored at it every single night? So there's a big part of our community is to make it fun, learning while making it fun, and then you can also learn and earn, right? So just make sure you guys hit that link in the description. Again, if you guys haven't hit that sub button, hit that sub button right now. Also hit a like. That'll definitely help us out in the future. So thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Peace.